Hi children, good morning. How are you children? Yes, you all are fine and safe. Yes, and today our class is about the SA1 revision. Yes, okay, the third class children, it is social. First of all, for our SA1 exam, there is a term book, term 1 full for our SA1. Yes, okay. How many lessons? Lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the 5 lessons are there for our SA1. Yes. Okay. Shall we start our revision from the last lesson? From the last lesson means that is the 5th lesson. Okay. Take out your books children, your term 1 book, your workbook and your homework. Yes. Okay. And 5th lesson, it is multiple choice questions children. Of which state is Dehradun the capital of? Yes, which state children? It is Uttarakhand. It is Uttarakhand. The option B is correct. Yes. How many states does India have? How many states children? Yes, it is 29 states. It is 29 states. Yes. And fill in the blanks. Third one, India is the world's dash largest country. It is the 7th largest country. Yes, it is the 7th largest country. More than half of the Indian population live in where? In villages. In villages. Most of the people live in villages. And 5th one children, very short answer question. Name the capital of Nagaland. Kohima. It is Kohima. Yes. And the name the largest Indian state. The largest Indian state children. It is Rajasthan. Large in India. Yes. And which is the smallest? Yes, it is Goa. Yeah. And the short answer question children. What is union territory? Name any one union territory. Yes. A union territory is an area that is directly governed by the central government. Yes. A union territory is an area that is directly governed by the central government. It is governed by the central government. For example, our state. Who is head of our state? Yes, it is chief minister. Yes, and here the central government, he wants to do anything means he have to take the permission from the central government. Yes, yeah. And here, whereas in union territory, there is no, they have to do their work directly. They have to ask to the central government and do the works. Yes, yeah. Understood children? Okay. A union territory is an area that is directly governed by the central government. Lakshadweep is a union territory. Lakshadweep is a union territory, for example. Yes, and next one children. Match the following. It is 8th one. Municipal corporation means the answer. Which one is correct? Their option. Column A and column B is given there. Yes, municipal corporation. Which one is correct there? B. It is local government present in cities. Yes, and 9th one children, Gram Panchayat. It is D. Local government present in villages. In villages. Yes, and municipal council. It is 10th one. What it is children? The answer is local government present in towns. In towns. And the 11th one, state government. It is, what it is? It is looks after a state. It looks after a state. Yes? Yeah, okay children. The second and the 12th one, it is short answer questions. Where is the central government of India located? Mention one of its main functions. Yes, where it is children? Yes, it is located in New Delhi. The central government of India is located in New Delhi. It makes decision for the entire country, our India. Yes. The central government of India is located in New Delhi and it makes the decision for the entire country. And 13th one, children, every citizen has some duties towards the country. Similarly, the government also has some duties. Briefly explain any two duties of the government. Yes, what it should do, what the government should do. Yes, it is the government's duty to preserve monuments, forests, water bodies and so on. Monuments means the things which the old ancient people left, the monuments are there, no? That they have to look after that, the forests they have to, and the water bodies and so on. And another duty is to provide aid during bad events such as earthquakes and floods. When the people are in need, they have to look after the people. Yes, okay. And here, long answer question, children. It is 14th one. Look at the pictures and identify them. Find out at least 3 differences between them. Yes, the first picture you see, children. What you can see there? Yes, this is a village. Yes, and here this is a city. Any difference is there in this picture? Yes, there is a lot of difference. It is a smaller in size. It is a smaller in size, means this village. Yes, and it is larger in size. It is larger in size. Yes, and it is less polluted. It is more polluted. Why? Because there are more vehicles here, where in cities, and whereas in the villages, no vehicles. Okay, it does not have an airport. It does not have an airport, and here it has an airport, and it has more greenery and open space. It has more greenery and open space. Yes, it has less greenery and less open space. Yes, the difference between this picture and this picture is this is village, this is city. Yes, there is a lot of difference. Yes, and the next one, children, multiple choice question. Which of the following is an example of public transport? Option D. It is option D. This is a scooter, this is bicycle, this is what it is? It is a cycle, and here it is a bus. Yes, and which is public transport? This is the public transport. Yes, and who among the following does not work for the government? Who? Which one is correct in this? Yes, it is B is correct. Yes, cleans cinema halls. It is cleans cinema halls. Does not work for the government. Their own it is. Yes. The short answer question, children, has a park and a public library in her neighborhood. Whom do you think provides these facilities? What are these facilities also known as? Yes. Yeah. The government provides these facilities. These facilities are known as public facilities. What are these? Who provides? First of all, who provides? The government provides these facilities. These facilities are known as public facilities. Yes. And here color the next one, children, 18th question. Color the following states on the given map. Yes, you have to color. A, it is given there, children. 4 it is given here. Yes, you have to do that. Okay. Which color? It is blue. A, and the Kerala, it is yellow. Yes, and B, Assam with red, and here Nagaland with green. Yes, and Uttar Pradesh with blue. You have to color that. Do the map pointing also, children. Practice that also. Okay, and the next one, children, the long answer question it is. Yes, this is a map of Rahimpur, name the facilities provided by the government. Classify these according to the types of facilities. In any facility missing is the missing facility an important one. Yes, you have to see this picture and you have to write. The following types of facilities are provided by the government. Yes, educational facilities, entertainment facilities, public transport facilities and healthcare facilities are missing. It is missing in this picture. Yes, it is an important facility because the government is responsible for looking after the health of the people. Yes, which one is missing there? Health facilities are missing in this picture because it is important facility for the government is responsible for looking after the health of the people. Yes, and the next one, children. This one, the government, 20th. The government often conducts or organizes camps on different problems such as cleanliness and health. Yes, you have to write on your own, children. Okay, and okay, children. Yes, for example, I am telling this answer, children. You can write on your own. Yes, an anti-polio campaign was recently organized in my neighborhood by the government. Yes, during the campaign, the children up to age of the 5 were given polio drops. Yes, and these drops were protect the children from polio. Yes, I said on that day when we were writing the notes, children, I said about the Kanti Velugu, that campaigning means camp, about that. I said you people to write that. Take your elders or adults or your sister help and write that. Yes, okay, children, and you have to write in the homework book. In the homework book, short answer questions as ST, and rest all you have to do. This full lesson today you have to do the revision, children. Okay, understood, children?